Good morning, students, and welcome back to a GK class. So, in the last class, we had started a lesson, countries and flags, and we had already learned information about four flags of the four different countries. And today, we will be knowing more about flags. So, you have to open page number 65 and let us continue with the same lesson. So here on this page, at the top of the page on the left hand side, you can see a flag which has four colors. Yes, at the top green color, then white, and at the bottom black color is there, and on the left side there is a red strip. So yes, it is the national flag of United Arab Emirates. Yes, and the short form for this country you can say is UAE. When I had taught you a lesson on you can say famous buildings, if you remember, then you have learnt about Burj Khalifa. So yes, Burj Khalifa is situated in UAE. Yes, it is the name of a country. Now let us read more about UAE. United Arab Emirates UAE is a union of 7 Arab Emirates. What are they? Regions ruled by emirs or sheikhs. In a simple language, you can say kings. They are Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, Al Kaiwan, Ras Al Khaimah, and Al Fujairah. It is a desert country. Okay, so, children, like in the previous class, you have learnt about UK, that it is a combination of four countries. In the same way, UAE is a, you can say, collection of 7 Arab Emirates. Okay, under this country, there are seven cities like Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, Al Kaiwan, Ras Al Khaimah, and Al Fujairah. So these are the seven, you can say, Arab Emirates. Together they make UAE, and it is a desert country. You must have seen in movies or in some pictures that Dubai is a desert country. You find desert all around. Okay, now let us see the right side. It is a red color flag. It has moon and 5 stars, and yes, below there is a white strip, so it is basically red and white color flag. So Singapore is a city as well as a country. It is known as the Garden City for its many parks and tree-lined streets. So children, this is the flag of Singapore. And Singapore is a country and a city as well. Okay, like our country is India, and in which city do we live? Prayagraj. So city and country is different, but in Singapore, city and country is same. It is only Singapore. And this country is also known as Garden City. Why? Because there are so many parks and greenery, and the streets have so many trees um, on both the sides. So that is why it is also known as Garden City. Alright. Now let us see the last flag. So it is a very simple flag. There is a white color square, and in the middle of the square you can see a red circle. So this is the flag of Japan. Japan is a country of islands. It consists of 4 main islands and a few thousand smaller islands in the Pacific Ocean. So, children, in Japan, there are many islands, and it consists of four main islands. There are four main islands uh, which are present in Japan, and some many smaller islands are also there in the Pacific Ocean. So, in today's class, we have learnt about three flags: United Arab Emirates flag, Singapore, and Japan. Okay, now there is a quick quiz given below. So, let us solve it. Here, the question 2 is answer the following question. A. From which symbol has the wheel in the center of the Indian flag been taken? So, in the last class, I have told you that the name of wheel is Ashoka wheel. Yes. So, this wheel is taken from the lion capital of Ashoka. Yes, it is a uh, pillar kind of a structure, and from this structure this wheel is taken. All right, so you have to remember this. Now next question is, how many colors can we see on the flag of India? So yes, four colors: saffron, white, green, and blue. Very good. Now next question. How many spokes does the wheel on the Indian flag have? So, in the last class, I have already told you that there are 24 spokes in the wheel. So, in the on the white part of the flag, you find a blue color wheel, and that wheel consists of 24 spokes. Now, the last question. What kind of cloth is mostly used to make the national flag of India? So, children, this is a very important question. You have to remember the name of the cloth. Yes, it is khadi. Khadi is a natural kind of cloth, and I think you all know very well that Gandhi ji was very fond of khadi products. He used to make khadi items, khadi cloth, you can say. So, these questions you have to learn the answers of these questions, and you have to revise this lesson very, very thoroughly. Remember the flags of different countries and their speciality. Okay, children, now this is all for today's class. Revise the lesson, learn the answers. Thank you.